Southeast Asia and Pacific family. I'm so excited to share Nu Skin latest integrated wellness and beauty device, ageLOC WellSpa IO. This device will be available in your market very soon. ageLOC WellSpa IO is the first device that delivers wellness benefit and also provide a beauty benefit. I cannot wait for you to experience this innovative, one-of-a-kind device yourself.
The ageLOC WellSpa IO is Nu Skin's first integrated beauty and wellness device that can be connected to our Nu Skin Vera app for increased usage features. The ageLOC WellSpa IO is designed to deliver the power of whole body wellness through the 3 R's. Restore your well-being, revitalize your appearance, rejuvenate your body. Be it a hard day at work to improving your body confidence, and even after a workout, the ageLOC WellSpa IO system helps energize your skin and relax your body, revitalizes your skin for a more contoured and radiant appearance, invigorates and stimulates your muscles before or after a workout.
It's the power of the whole body wellness in your hand. It is amazing, right? So what are you waiting for? Work towards qualifying as a brand representative by October 2023 and experience this amazing benefit of ageLOC WellSpa IO yourself. You will love it.